TERRO Garbage Guard is easy to use. When ready to use, open both sections of the foil pouch to remove the adhesive and pod. Remove one side of adhesive backing and firmly attach adhesive strip to the Garbage Guard pod. Clean the trash can lid of residue to ensure proper adhesion. Now, remove the remaining adhesive backing from the adhesive strip. Press and hold firmly to attach Garbage Guard to the trash can lid. Use Garbage Guard in trash cans or dumpsters located outdoors or in garages. For best results, keep the trash can lid closed. Replace with a fresh pod every 4 months or when effectiveness diminishes.